How to fix the error code 429 on Roblox. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this video tutorial, we'll show you how you can fix the error code 249 on Roblox. So this error usually appears when you send too many requests to Roblox in a short period of time. So this is a protective measure to prevent spamming, and here's how you can fix it. So first of all, you need to just simply wait it out. The easiest solution is to wait before trying again. And the wait time varies, but usually it resolves the issue once the rate limit resets. If you're doing repetitive actions that trigger the error, stop doing those and reduce these actions as well. And furthermore, you can make sure that there are not any ongoing issues with the Roblox services that could be causing this error. So for that, you need to simply open a new tab and then go to Roblox status, which is status.roblox.com. And server problems can sometimes lead to unexpected errors like this one. So if you go to status.roblox.com, you will see all the updates over here, including the history, platform-wide issues, and other things. And that's it. This is exactly how you can fix the error code 429 on Roblox. So if you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.